Welcome to Vlogmas Day 19. Today we will be cleaning my room. This is the current state of my room. It's not too messy, a little dusty in some places, but it's more cluttery and laundry that I need to put away and find places for stuff than messy. So first things first, we're going to just put everything that's out and not in their place in their place. Most of the stuff around our room that needed to be, and now I have this thing that is full of just lip products, and I don't really use them that often, so I'm going to go through them and see what I want to keep and we'll start using and what to get rid of. So here's my trash can. Let's do this. Organized my bows and hair accessories container. Also, I got this last night at dance. It's in a different bag than it was because I split it with somebody, but it's reindeer food. So we're going to go sprinkle that outside real fast. I just got all this out of my camper, or my grandparents' camper that's here, because I had a sleepover in there. And it was Christmas themed, so I got all the Christmas decorations around my house and from my room. Put them in there, so now we have to put it all back. To take a break from cleaning my room to go have my piano lesson, so I'll be back in a little bit. My piano teacher and my mom are talking because we know her personally and stuff, so I am just going to wipe down my vanity and my dresser. I already wiped down my nightstand, so that's good. I just finished my piano lesson, and this is what my shirt drawer is looking like, plus this shirt and every shirt that's in my hamper and this shirt on right now. So I think our next and final task is to clear this out. Find stuff that we don't need, keepsakes that we don't wear, and fold it and stuff. So let's do that.
Steps a rhythm, every heartbeat. Good vibes only, that's my rule. No time for drama, no time.
Here's the room. She's a good amount cleaner. And we have all of our Christmas decorations back in here. And there is no dust on the vanity or the dresser or my nightstand, and I love that. So now I'm going to go get in the shower because I want to be clean too. Thank you for watching Vlogmas Day 19 and cleaning with me. I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 20. Bye.